Transhield designs and manufactures custom-fit covers for shipping and storage across a wide range of industries. At the heart of our high-volume production network are two strategically connected ISO 9001 certified facilities, Del Rio, Texas, and Acuña, Mexico, working together to deliver reliable protection at scale with the support of our corporate headquarters in Elkhart, Indiana. Our Del Rio facility serves as a key hub for producing laminated materials, coordinating logistics for raw goods and inventory across facilities, and staging finished covers for distribution. Del Rio is a crucial piece of Transhield's supply chain, receiving product inputs, laminating our proprietary materials, and distributing finished covers to our OEM and defense partners across the world. Del Rio's lamination line is capable of producing 25 million square yards of material annually, giving Transhield full control over quality and performance at the material level. Just across the border in Acuña, Mexico, our largest production facility is home to a highly skilled team dedicated to high-volume manufacturing for our commercial OEM partners. In Acuña, material supplied from Del Rio is converted into thousands of custom-fit covers. Production begins with plotting and precision cutting, followed by pre-assembly and final fabrication using both heat welding and traditional sewing. Every cover is rigorously inspected, folded, and packed before being returned to Del Rio for shipment. Designed for high volume output, the Acuña facility keeps pace with growing demand, delivering custom-fit covers quickly and efficiently. Together, Del Rio and Acuña form a tightly integrated production network built to meet the demands of Transhield's growing commercial, OEM, and defense markets.